Struggling to pick the right cloud data management champion? Let's settle the Informatica vs Talend showdown in just 90 seconds. First, features. Informatica boasts a comprehensive suite covering data integration, data quality, and master data management. Talend excels in its open-source approach, providing flexible data integration and governance tools. Informatica is a powerful, proprietary platform well-suited for large enterprises with complex data landscapes. Its strength lies in its robust capabilities and established market presence. Talend offers both open-source and commercial options. Its ease of use and visual interface make it a favorite for those prioritizing agility and faster development cycles. Scalability is key. Informatica generally scales vertically for enterprise-grade volumes. Talend scales horizontally, making it adaptable for varying workloads. Now, the big one: pricing. Informatica usually comes with a higher price tag, reflecting its extensive feature set. Talend offers more budget-friendly options, especially with its open-source core. Integration capabilities. Both platforms connect to a wide array of data sources. Informatica has pre-built connectors for many enterprise systems. Talend thrives on its community-driven connectors and adaptability. In short, Informatica is the established enterprise solution with a powerful suite. Talend offers flexibility, open-source options, and easier adoption. The best choice depends on your specific needs, budget, and technical expertise. Consider your organization's size, data complexity, and long-term goals before making the leap.